They're saying OpenAI Academy offers free AI skill workshops for all knowledge levels. So it doesn't matter how slow, how advanced you are, they got something for you. They said OpenAI has dropped the OpenAI Academy, a free online spot to get your AI knowledge on. They're throwing workshops, discussions, and dropping digital knowledge for everyone, from newbies to code slingers. So you like the code? If you don't know nothing about AI, they got something for you. They started off with the tech heads, but now they're bringing the heat to the teachers, students, job seekers, nonprofit folk, and small business owners as well. They're even partnering with schools like Georgia Tech and Miami Dade and organizations like Goodwill and Common Sense Media to help spread the word. They got a whole library of on demand content, and they're always adding more. Now they're saying they're planning an in-person workshops with colleges and workforce organizations, trying to get everyone on board with using AI. And now check this out. They even got a free online course called ChatGPT Foundations for K through 12 educators, helping teachers bring AI like ChatGPT in the classroom. They're teaching them the basics on how to keep data safe, how to use it ethically, and how to use it for lesson plans and personalized learning. And they're trying to get educators ready for the AI takeover in education. Now, why is this important to you? It's time to level up. Real talk. This keeps you relevant in the game, showing you're not afraid of new tech. It's a boss move. AI skills boost your productivity and creativity, making you a valuable asset in any field. And then, you can also network and chill, not Netflix and chill. You get to connect with other innovators and industry leaders, opening doors you didn't even know existed. And OpenAI helps you keeps you updated on the latest AI developments, so you're always in the know. Free knowledge, no strings attached. These workshops are absolutely free, so you can level up your skills without breaking the bank at all. Now, this is amazing because Revis, you said you're not feeling it, and now they're offering it to you for free. Do you think OpenAI Academy will be a big hit? In the comments, let me know. One, yes, I like how they're willing to show us how AI works. Two, not interested in AI, and it's a waste of time. Three, at least they're making resources available. Four, only time will tell. Or five, there's so many AI models, I don't even know where to start. 1 through 5, let me know in the comments. How do you think? Revis, your thoughts on this, man?
I think it's good because when you got someone like me, I'm interested in it. I really don't have the time for it. And they're going to make it simple and easy where all I have to do is just go online and they're going to teach me about this. I think it's pretty good. I embrace it. Don't get me wrong. I just don't have time for
Mm,
it.
okay. You just don't have time for it. So this is what the app website looks like. You can sign in for absolutely free. All you do is just create an account. They'll send you a magic link. So you type in your email, it'll send you a link. And then once you click on the link, you'll log right on in. And it says unlock the opportunities of the AI era by equipping yourself with the knowledge and skills to harness artificial intelligence effectively. They have events, and they're saying March 28th, intro to AI for K through 12 educators. They have a whole class schedule here. Automate knowledge graphs for RAG, building graph RAG with OpenAI. I don't know what that is. AI for older adults, introduction to AI. That's on April 3rd at 7 p.m., 7 to 8 p.m. Eastern. It's live in 8 days. AI for older adults, AI all around. That's on April 8th, 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. They got content introduction to ChatGPT, EDU, your AI powered academic companion, mastering prompts, the key to getting what you need from ChatGPT. So these are videos that have already been released. So they already have stuff that's already been released. They have the frequently asked questions, who can join the academy. So, I mean, this is all available. It's open to everyone with free enrollment to ensure broad access. Some specialized community groups may require invitations or referrals. Can you host an open AI academy in your community? They said they're always looking for motivated hosts across the country and around the world. Ideal hosts include academic institutions and community groups eager to help their members embrace and adopt AI. All you got to do is just reach out to them and express your interest. Revis, there's no excuse.
I know. I see Awesome Fun Thing is telling me. He said I'm gonna be left behind.
Awesome fun things. Tell them what they say. Awesome fun things.
Period.
That's what it is. Don't rush the Professor Revis. Oh my God. Well, he want to be the professor. He need to be the professor in AI over here. Come on now, Professor Revis. We need to get you right now. You got to learn some stuff. All right. Come on, get with the program, player. But yeah, to anybody that, as you're watching this, I know we're having fun, and I know I'm picking fun at Revis. And I try my best to show you guys in a way that, where we can learn together, right? But Revis, I mean, they said they got AI for older adults. I mean,
I'm not older, yo.
Okay. They got an introduction to AI, and they got AI all around. You just got to pick.
The problem is they have all these different levels. They have an introduction. They have it for people over 40. They have it for older people. And I don't know where I fall in at, because even though I'll be 58 here in 2 weeks from today, I feel like I'm in my 20s or something. So I don't know exactly where I fit in at yet.
Well, they got advanced features for nonprofits. They got streamlined business and developer workflows. They got AI in action, practical use for work, learning, and life. They got it, man. There's no excuse. There's anybody that wants to learn AI. The website is called academy.openai.com. Once again, academy.openai.com. It's here. I'm putting it right here in your face. So if you want to learn, they tell you the times, they tell you the dates. They got May dates, they got June dates, they got March dates, they got April dates. They already got replays available. I mean, you name it, they got dates. Question is, are you going to show up? That's the $1 million question. Are you going to show up? It's the Lab Tech Show. Join us Wednesdays at 8 p.m. Eastern at thelabtechshow.com. Embrace it or get left behind.
Alrighty then.